Hello everyone, I'm Bob, the community manager of Emperor Game. Today, I'm here to introduce our new game, BioWeaver. It will be released on Steam in October this year. In today's video, we will explain the core contents of the game. Afterwards, we will also talk about some quality of life improvements. So let's begin now. Welcome Ludia, the chief designer of BioWeaver, to give us a brief presentation.
Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you in this way. After more than a year of intense development, I can't wait to share some news of our new game with you. Next, let's watch a short video, and after that, I will give you a more detailed explanation. BioWeaver focuses on the treasure hunting and character building. To better fit this core, we have developed a new method to select game levels. The game is made up of 5 acts, each of which contains multiple levels. The resources and organs that can be collected in these levels will be different. So you may find desired organs by targeting specific levels. In addition, each act has its own boss. The difficulty of the levels and the rarity of the drops can be adjusted, and you can also activate auto-level scaling to adapt the difficulty and loot quantity to your current process. If you are a fan of Endless mode, you may enjoy the ultimate test after finishing the main acts, which is full of danger and opportunity. Organ mutation is a feature system in BioWeaver. Each organ can have 4 mutation affixes, which give the organ unprecedented abilities. For example, this horn, its extra lightning strikes is in sequence. In other words, all lightnings are possible to strike on target. To obtain a new affix or enhance an existing affix, a potion is required. For example, this Nova Solvent can add a random affix to an organ. Then, using the rebuild factors, we can replace the random affix with a vessel. Using a potion will cost an organ 1 durability point. If the organ have no durability, it can no longer be modified. We have designed dozens of different affixes for each organ. Use your creativity and you will surely be able to create some unexpected combinations. In addition to organ affix, we have also designed a series of replica organs with unique functions. This replicant body does not deal damage over time anymore, but instead activates the parallel organs at target location every 0.5 seconds. Let's take a look at its effect. Bravo! This replica limb has increased the length and decreased the width. It looks like it's much safer. The affixes of replica organs are in a locked state. No matter how we mutate the organs, this special affix will not be affected. This rule makes replica organs extremely easy to be crafted. However, if you are looking for a max row replica organ, you will need to invest more time in targeting farming. In BioWeaver, you can build characters' passive skill by configuring genes. Each gene, depending on its power, consumes 1 to 3 slots. At the game process, the slots can be expanded. Now, let's take a look at this octopus gene, which belongs to our old friend Genius. Let's take a look at the Shapeshifters gene, which belong to the Harmony. we put in the gene and their passives are all in effect. This only is an example. There are many combinations of genes waiting for you to explore. Boss Battle was a relatively mediocre design in the previous game. This time, we have prepared 5 well-designed bosses with extremely powerful skill sets. To fight them, you need a certain amount of skill and technique. Let's take a brief look on them. This is Princess Vivian. She does not follow the player, but instead attacks you from above the screen. Our design goal is to make every boss fight a little bit different. Each boss has its own unique organ, which provide extremely powerful functions, but it's also more difficult to obtain. During the game process, you are able to unlock additional hidden skill sets for bosses, which will also greatly increase their loot value. While updating a large amount of new content, we have also made many quality of life improvements to the game. In organ editing, we can easily filter organs. At the same time, if you are satisfied with a set of builds, you can save it and share the code with your friends. We have provided an in-game build viewer to help you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like BioWeaver, please add it to your wishlist on the Steam store page. If you like to communicate with developers in more depth, please send an email to the address at the bottom of the screen.